So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this passenger side one real quick. Okay, so this one do a little bit on camera. And I imagine all this stuff I'm scrubbing off is just filth, probably from people's hands, just dirt and grime from people's hands sticking to the plastic. And, you know, as you can see right here, where I was scrubbing, how it just looks clean again. See? So I have to continue doing that for the whole thing. And the good thing is you don't have to do this every time you detail your car. It's just if you're into detailing cars. I actually used to own a detail shop for a short time. But, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have to keep going at it. But as you can see, it's just getting better looking and better looking as I go. Let me go ahead and pause it and finish it off. There you go. I got it all cleaned up. So even on the back side, I got it as clean as I could. But at least it matches. Yeah, it all matches now. Doesn't look weird. Yeah. That's all you use is an eraser.